Come over here, it's too dangerous to just walk everywhere.
But Daddy, I want to play.
You can't play in this weather. You know, this is a giant ice lake. It's really dangerous and every step can be dead. Come on guys, you have to move on. It's still far. And in this cold weather we need to find food. Alright, Mom. You're right. It's so dangerous. We have to keep forward. It's a long trip. They finally managed to find something interesting.
Look, Daddy, grass! Grass! Come over here.
Oh boy. I hope it's really grass. It does really look like grass. What do you think? Let me take a look. It is really grass, but it isn't enough for us all. But there needs to be more. Maybe.
Look, there are coming more.
Good job. It tastes good. Good enough, anyways.
Yay! I found the grass. I found the grass.
Don't bounce that much. The ice can easily break. But you need to listen. If you bounce that much, the ice could break and we all die. Okay, Dad.
Look, Daddy.
Ah! Oh no, I told you. It's too dangerous. Oh, I hurt my leg. Oh, you fool. Oh, it isn't that bad. Come on. Move up. You see, it isn't that bad. We need to keep moving forward. Indeed, and find some more food. Look, darling, over there. Grass! We need to get there, so we can eat all the grass. Yes, darling.
Yay, grass, grass, grass. Oh, Daddy, this is the best grass ever.
Yes, and I hope it will stop snowing soon, so we can find more. We have food till now, so we want to thank you for watching, and goodbye. Ow.